Hey, check this out. Another great boondocking spot in Texas. Stay tuned. Hello, and welcome back. So where is this great boondocking spot located at? It's in the northern panhandle of Texas, about 35 to 40 miles north of Amarillo. It is called Lake Meredith National Recreation Area. Look at the views from these campsites. You have shaded picnic tables and grills. There's a bathroom nearby with potable water, showers, and flush toilets. And the good news is you can stay here for up to 14 days for free. Just beautiful. Hey, check this out. Full moon on one side, there's our rigs, and a beautiful sunset on the other side. Please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Safe travels, everyone. Bye-bye.